Good morning. I'm off to see Jasmine. We're going for a beach day today. Maybe it's not beach day weather. The weather app said that there was a very chance precipitation. Lie. I just got rained on. However, the sun's coming out. We've got to catch the bus in 5 minutes. So I just need to go underneath the tunnel. Wow! That's so good! Hey, and then we also brought like our laptops and stuff in case we need to work. But I also brought my umbrella so we can bury our stuff underneath the umbrella. Wow! I hope the weather keeps getting better and it's a really good day. It doesn't really matter because it's been so warm recently that I hope the water's warm. Well, I think that's a high hope, but I hope it's not too cold basically. We're currently in Cafe Academic of Repulse Bay.
It was raining. It could still be raining. I mean,
we're gonna get wet anyway.
Hayden's got a dirty coffee.
I do.
I've got a cappuccino.
And then we're gonna go to 7-Eleven and get a picnic and only try new things that we haven't tried.
Caitlin's only gonna try new things.
So is Jasmine.
We'll see.
No.
I'm not trying anything really weird.
No. But we always say we want to try new stuff and we never do. So today is the day.
Yeah. And then
swimming. And then maybe we'll lock in and later.
And then you know what
I forgot. Then we're gonna take care of Saizeriya, which is the worst. But
you get to have a tiramisu. And the most I was gonna say I could get tiramisu and Luckin.
Yeah.
Do both.
You can't get it in Hong Kong Luckin.
You can't.
Really?
No, I think we check. Oh, okay. I don't know.
I'm happy with either.
We have nothing new. No, everything's new. I've never tried these before.
Are you comfortable?
No. I'm actually really stressed.
Why?
Because I'm going to attack my pigeon.
We've been surrounded. They've actually kind of all dispersed now, so now it looks like you're a little bit dramatic because there's like 2 pigeons. But before there were like 8. Look at the sky, it's so dark. There's literally no one in the sea. Besides us! Oh yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, we're off. Bye bye.
It's so cold and it's so cloudy. Where is she? She's so far out now.
All is good. I had a bitter melon drink from Chagee. Jasmine had.
I've had a, you would say, peach oolong milk tea.
And now we are deciding what to do. We've both got work to do, but we're locked out, aren't we? So.
That's my little hero. I was actually kind of locked in before.
I've never been locked in today. Not once.
I think Caitlin's up to something.
It looks like I've just come out of the Christmas bag. Are you ready? Wow.
Transition.
Okay, are you ready to go?
What are you up to?
Are you ready to go?
Yes.
Ready? That was tremendous. 23p. We found Kira. We're in Saizeriya. Now we can start food. Yeah, have the fire tiramisu. They give the desserts first.